Hey guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome to Crafters Support. If you're new, thanks for joining us. If you've come back, welcome back. All right, so today I wanted to talk to you about something that I had posted on our Facebook page. Quick note, if you're not a member of our Facebook page, it's Crafters Support on Facebook. You can, I think if you're on your computer, it's like up under the banner on the right, you can click it and you could join our Facebook page. And that's where we do fun giveaways and lives and things like that. So I had asked the question, like, what is stopping you or what keeps you from crafting? There was time, money, space, and know-how. So what I'm going to show you are these really amazing paper packs from Hobby Lobby. So they're by the Paper Studio. If you follow my channel, you know I'm like anti Paper Studio vinyl, but I love their paper and their packets that they sell. So these packets were $5.99 and they were 50% off when we were shopping. So I did purchase these a while back, but I haven't had time to use them. So I wanted to share them with you guys and kind of give you some ideas. And then I'm going to be going throughout the rest of this week making things with just this paper pack, individual paper packs, so you can see just how much you can make with maybe one paper pack. And this isn't going to take up a lot of space. So it's just a packet, and I'm going to take everything out, but I want to show you them first. So this is the Mermaid Dreams, and I am so excited, guys. You know, these are my colors right here, the blues and the purples. Super cute. Then we have these really pretty sunflowers. It's the sunflower set. So I thought those are really pretty. This is the cute butterflies. This is actually my daughter's set that she got. Bought all these travelers, but she bought these travelers packets that are super cute. This one's called Uncharted, and it has so much ephemera. It's so cute. She's still going to be able to use these because she is going to be with friends and she's going to be traveling. So she's going to be able to use these in her scrapbooks, which she did purchase a scrapbook to use these in. I'm not necessarily using a scrapbook for my stuff. I'll show you how I'm going to use mine. But hers are for a scrapbook, specifically for her travels. So again, this is the Uncharted. If you flip it over, it shows everything you get in them. So this is some 3D embellishments, and they're stickers. Then you have all the letters. And this is another sticker sheet. And then you get 5 designs, 2 each. So it's 10 sheets of paper, 12 by 12, all these designs. Not sure if there's a glare or not for you. But it's so beautiful. The paper is so pretty. It wasn't $5.99 because we had 50% off. So I'm going to put these aside and I'm going to open the one I've been really wanting to open. So this one is the Mermaid Dreams. And I'm going to show you everything that you get. So if they have these for 50% off, I highly suggest you scooping. You don't even have to buy more than one. If there's just one that catches your eye that you really think is beautiful, get it, bring it home, and you can make amazing things with it. I hope that's not too loud in the microphone, guys. Sorry. Okay, I don't want to lose that because I'm going to put it back in there. Again, it shows you on the back here everything that you get. So you get 1 full sticker sheet, you get the alpha sticker sheet, you get the gemstone sticker sheet, you get 19 die cuts, and then you get 5 designs, 2 each of this beautiful paper. But I want to show you just how really pretty this is. Oh, so it's very nicely packaged. I'm going to pull this off. So this could be for scrapbooking. If you're a scrapbooker, you could absolutely use this for scrapbooking and putting a cover over it. Like I do a lot of the creative memory type things. I don't even know if that is still a company. I think it still is. But I do a lot of like the creative memory wise mixed with a little bit of Allie Edwards mixed with, oh, what's her name? I can't think. Becky Higgins. So those are kind of like the mixes that I kind of go with. But these are so beautiful. They have a lot of shine to them, which I really like. Some of the ones you get, like sometimes at the Dollar Tree, it depends on what color you get. There's just not a lot of shine, but these ones are super shiny. So you get those. Then these stickers are really pretty. I'm interested to see what kind of sticker paper they're on. I'm kind of like, I'm a I'm a paper person. Like I like to feel paper and I like the textures and things like that. So, oh, okay. So these are like matte. They're like the matted feel, but look, there's gloss, like it's really shiny here. Those are so pretty. Very pretty. This looks like distressed right here. That's going to be really pretty to use. Also, if you're a planner person, if you do the Happy Planner or another type of planner, these are super great to get because you could do months with this. Like you could pick up this packet and do multiple month spreads. You could do all summer with just one of these packets for like $3, right? So we have our stickers and now we have our ephemera. And this is like big, chunky, beautiful ephemera. It's not like little tiny pieces. Oh, and it's not thin. Like it's pretty thick. Oh, you get multiples? Oh, look at that. Look at the purple. Now we're talking. These are gorgeous. I don't know if you guys can see them well. I don't know if there's a glare. But oh my gosh, look at the foiling. It's beautiful. Oh, I'm so excited. For sure, you can make a ton with this. So we have the seashell. Here, I'll try to lay it out for you so you can see all of them. So we have the seashell. We have like a pearl one. That's super cute. Mermaid at heart. My daughter's favorite Disney princess is Ariel. And when she was little, like we had all the mermaid things and it was so pretty. Mermaid kisses and starfish wishes. That's really pretty. Some what are these, sand dollars, I believe they're called. I'd rather be a mermaid. That's super cute. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at that jellyfish. Oh my gosh, is that not so cute? All right, and then there's these. Oh, my colors, guys. My purples and blues, little seahorses. My mom's favorite like water thing is a seahorse. Okay, here's another. It's like a conch shell. And then these starfish. Here's a starfish. Here's one. This is really pretty. That is so pretty. And then another octopus. I think I'm running out of room here. And then another seashell. Oh, and yet another seashell. So you get a lot, like a lot, just in this portion right here. It's because we still have these three, right? And all your stickers and your gems, but there's still more. So now you have all of your stickers, and these are foiled stickers. I believe it just said one sheet, but I'm going to open it to make sure. And I want to feel them anyways. So tell me down below, are any of you like paper snobs? Like I'm kind of a paper snob in the manner of how it feels. So like I really like Stampin' Up! Paper. I like Cricut paper, and this Paper Studio paper is pretty sweet too. So here's the foil stickers. You get one sheet and it is beautiful. That's exciting. I'm going to just kind of put that up there. And now here's the paper. Okay, I'm going to cover up this beautiful ephemera, and it is one-sided. So you do have the option of the white backing. If for some reason you don't like the pattern that's on the front, you could use the white backing for something else. But you get, I think it said 2 of each. So you get 2 of like the little mermaid or the fish scales. This is really pretty. This is like a blurred, like something I would think of like if I was looking through like a blurred into the water with the light hitting it. That's so pretty. This one is like a marbling effect, and it has the really pretty purples and teals and the greenish blues. That's gorgeous with the gold. I really like that. Here is a really pretty, now there's 2 of this one here as well. The blue, dark blue, and then it goes up to the lighter green, which is really pretty. And then this is the purple and the foil gold. Gorgeous. This paper pack with all of the ephemera and all of the stickers and all of the embellishments is going to make some really beautiful things, from, like I said, planners to cards to, if you want to use them for scrapbooking, you can make 3D crafts. Like we're going to make as much as I possibly can out of this kit this week coming. And maybe I'm going to use it in my planner. Maybe I'll use it in my Bible journaling. Like whatever I'm going to use it for, I'm going to share with you guys so that you can see just how much a $3 pack from Hobby Lobby, again, even if you had to pay full price, even if you, let's just say you have to pay the $5.99 for it, This is still a huge amount of product for $5.99. Everything's already cut out for you. If you don't have a Cricut, it's not a big deal. These come cut out. Really, all you need is some adhesive. I recently closed my business so I would have more time to work with crafters support, and I'm so excited about it. I'm so happy, and I just want to bring all sorts of fun to you guys. So be sure to keep watching, and I'm going to start coming up with some fun ideas for this paper kit. And don't forget these other ones as well. The sunflower one, I'll give you one last look at that so you guys can see it. I don't want to open my daughter's just because it's hers, and you know, I don't want to get into her stuff, but I will also do an opening for this pack. I'm going to try to do as many as I can to share with you guys because I want you to know that you can afford to do, make beautiful things. So again, $5.99, half price, $3, and super cute. Make a lot of stuff with it. Have any questions that you need answered, comment down below. Message me through the Facebook page or comment on the Facebook page. We have a nice following over there, people that are willing to help, and would love to see your ideas. And anything you make, feel free to post on the Facebook page. We'd love to see what you create. But yeah, so thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a happy, safe, and blessed 4th of July. And I will be seeing you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.